Just multiplying things that are a little bit longer. The principle is really still the same. You're going to take the 3v times each of those, the y times each of those, and the -4 times each of those. So 3v times 4v would be 12v squared. Then I'm going to take the 3v times the minus y.
Minus 3vy.
Minus 3vy. And I'm going to do the middle term. So 3y times 4v.
Plus 12.
That's 12vy. And then the 3y times the minus y.
Negative 3y squared.
Negative 3y squared. Then I'm going to do the last term times each of those. -4 times 4v.
Negative 16v.
Negative 16v. And -4 times the negative y.
Plus 4.
Plus 4y. I then look to see if there's anything I can combine. I can combine those two terms with the vy. And so I'm going to have 12v squared. -3 plus 12 would give me positive 9vy minus 3y squared minus 16v plus 4y. Now on Alex, they'll probably rearrange this a little bit. They put the answer in what's called descending order, so they probably put the two with the squared terms first, then the term with the two variables, and then the ones with one variable, just because it's fun. Not that you have to do it. Now, because you're getting a lot longer problems, if you happen to be somebody who gets confused or lose your spot, or you have a little kid that interrupts you or whatever it is, one technique that some books do is this. They make a box. And they say, okay, I'm going to take the 2u plus 7 times the 5u minus 3y minus 2, just to keep themselves organized at where they're at. It's up to you if you want to do it that way, or if you want to do it this way. You should get the same answers. 2u times 5u, 10u squared. 2u times a negative 3y.
Minus negative 6uy.
Should have made my boxes a little bigger. 2u times minus 2.
Negative 4u.
Negative 4u. So now I've done that first bunch, I can do the second bunch. 7 times 5u.
35u squared.
35, just a u, right? Because just one of them has a u. 7 times minus 3y.
Negative 21y.
Got my u on there. Negative 21y. And then 7 times minus 2.
Negative 14.
Negative 14. So, make sure you have a u on that last one. I don't know why I didn't write it down, because I'm sure you said it. My like terms here, if I look, are going to be my 35u and my minus 4u in this case. So I have a 10u squared. I've got a minus 6uy. I have 35 minus 4, which would be 31u. Minus 21y and minus 14. And all of that would have to go in for my answer then. So number 15, now it's even a little bit longer. We have 3 of them times 3 of them. Do you want to use the boxes, or you just want to multiply it out the long way?
Just use the boxes.
Use the boxes? Make my boxes a little bigger so I have more room to write. So 3 by 3, we want this one to be. So we have a 3w plus a 2u minus a 7 times 7w plus 2u minus 1. So taking my 3w times each of those. 3w times 7w. 21w squared, right? Both of them have w's. 3w times 2u.
6uw.
6uw. 3w times minus 1.
Negative 3w.
Negative 3w. So we got the first one multiplied out. So we're going to take our 2u times each of those. 2u times 7w.
14uw.
14uw. 2u times 2u.
4u squared.
4u squared. And 2u times a minus 1.
Negative 2u.
Negative 2u. And then my negative 7 times each of those, so negative 7 times 7W,
49W.
negative
Oh,
49W, negative 7 times 2U,
negative 14U.
14U, and then negative 7 times negative 1,
7.
positive 7. And so looking for my like terms there, I've got UW's that can go together, I've got plain W's that go together, and I've got U's that go together. So I have 21W squared. If I do these two together, 14 plus 6 would give me 20 UW. I suppose I could do my 4U squared, positive 4U squared. I need more room to write, so I did that one. Negative 2U, nope, I gotta do my W's. Well, it doesn't matter which ones I do. Negative 49 minus 3 will give me 52, negative 52W. I'll just write it down here. And then I have negative 2 minus 14, so negative 16U, and then the plus sign. So all of that would go in for your answer. Again, the order really doesn't make a whole lot of difference, just so you've got them all there. And I get a great big long answer that I get to type in. (16, 17, and 18 are divided